innocuous, benign. We're not thinking about it. Doesn't really even think it would overwhelm. But by a show of thumbs up, how many of you might say to your child, and I'm going to say come downstairs because at my house with my kids growing up was two-story. Some of you might live in a ranch, so it doesn't apply, but you'll get the gist. How many of you just say, can you come downstairs? I want to talk to you for a minute. Anybody do that? Every single one of you needs to give me a yes. Yes, yes. Okay. So think about it for a minute. What do you think? Come out to the living room. Come to the living room. Can you come into the kitchen? Can you come downstairs? All the things. What do you think is the first thing your child is thinking? Who wants to play along? What do you think? Okay. What did I do wrong? Pam, if I had a gift for you, I'm in trouble. Exactly. What did I do? I'm in trouble. Now what? What did I do? Why comes second? It's the what did I do wrong? Am I in trouble? Oh my God. And they don't remember what they did because that's the weak working memory. I don't even remember what I did. Oh my God, what did I do? So that's what I mean by preempting top. So remember, we're talking about sustaining effort. So right away, you might have a kid who's like, I'm not coming downstairs. I don't want to talk to you. I'm not talking about being defiant. I'm not talking, but just not there, not being able to initiate or sustain that effort. So what I want you to do, and I want you to try this, is preempt your topic and time. Now, you can't always do that. I know that there are real conversations. What am I getting blamed for? I love that. Well, I don't love that, but you know what I mean. I want you to say, hey, can you come in here? I need to talk to you about fill in the blank, fill in the blank. What is it you want to talk about? It'll take about 10 minutes. And I want you to email me back. I kid you not. And I want you to tell me if it made a difference. Because trust me, it makes a massive difference. And yes, I do this even with the college students I coach.